I have the, so this is the plugin right here, right? I have the, let's go ahead and add an additional one because I need those for today. So it adds this one, or let's see, wait, okay, so we can take this, paste that in here, right? And you see we have the u2.be URL. We are going to load that, or let's do fetch title first, right? We have here, and then which you're not gonna see, well, you're not gonna see well, I can do it like this, right? So we load, and now if I switch to the YouTube, then you can see the Kevin O'Leary Fox Business video, right? So that one works. Let's try a shorts URL. Let me go find a short. Let me go to my channel and we go to shorts, and we can use, let's use this Jeff Bezos one. Copy link address. And then if we go here, so you see the shorts URL, fetch title, boom, that works. And then load. And now if we go back to over here, and now we have the short URL loaded, right? And lastly, let's try with a live stream. We will, I wonder what would happen with a live that's happening right now. But let's take this live stream from last week of mine, and we are going to go back to over here, and I'm going to go and paste that in there. And let me see if I can do this real quick, right? So if we truncate it, fetch title. So before, what was happening, I couldn't really reproduce it last time, but what was happening was when you have a really long title, what it was doing was it was expanding inside of here, right? So now a scroll bar would be added in here to scroll to the left, to the right. Now it just keeps the size, like it matches the size of like whatever you resize it to and to here. So they both stay consistent. And if it fits in here, it's going to be like that. Oops. And then if we were to do, so we have the title and we do load, and now we go back over here and we have the live stream that we have here. So the difference, so a few differences in the plugin is that it can take the live, it can take the shorts, it can take the short, like the shared URL, it can take the regular URL. So, and you know, as we see additional opportunities, we will take care of that as well. But for now, the plugin is completed. So, let me show the code actually. Yeah, it's gonna be really quick, but a couple of things that happened was I had to do some fixing myself. I didn't necessarily write any of the code myself, but I had to organize it myself, because when I got it to work for Windows for Rod Brown and Junior to be able to use it, it broke it for Mac, right? And then when I fixed it for Mac, it broke it for Windows. So I had to organize. So I said, you know what? Although there are some things that I am duplicating, which I can always go back and extract the same things over. I just put inside of in the C# code. I just put. Let me go and open that up real quick. C line, show you guys real quick, and then we'll call that a quits. All right. So opening up C line. So basically, what I ended up doing was, let's close that out. I also added my name all over the plugin. My name is I am all up in your plugin, right? So let's go to, so what I did was I said everything that worked for Apple on the Mac to be able to install it, it's inside this if statement right here, right? So everything for Apple is in here, and everything for Windows that allowed it to work is in here, right? So that was the easiest way to separate the two. There's some stuff that I can probably extract, possibly like this thing right here. But I'll worry about that at another date and time, because right now it is working as Junior confirmed. It's working on Windows and it is working on the Mac. So here's what I did. So inside on the Mac, I have it to say, it's on the other computer. So when Junior was installing, he probably saw it, but it would say YouTube video share. Can I pull this in? Let me see. Git pull. Sweet. All right. So you see, I just pulled in the latest changes that I did on the Windows computer to see it work. But OBS YouTube video share by Tekotrauf, YouTube video share by Tekotrauf, and then I have the same thing for on the Mac. So if I go in and try to install this plugin, I'm just gonna have it. I'm just gonna open it just so you can see it, but I'm not gonna go through the installation because it's already installed. But if I do open an associated app, and if I go and pull this up over here, it will say install OBS YouTube video share by Tech Coach Ralph. And then when you take a look at, see if I'll be able to do it. Tools. Oh wait, let me do it over here. Tools, plugin manager. And inside the plugin manager, it says OBS YouTube video share by Tech Coach Ralph. Yep. I'm all up in yo plugin, all right? Because guess what? If I'm giving you this for free, for the free 99, then you are gonna know who created it, who built it, who distributed it, right? One man army right here. One man army. That's how we do it. That is how we win. Let's get it. All right. So, but yeah, that's what I wanted to share. I'm going to post it inside of the Patreon again. The Windows download, the Mac download. I didn't do Linux. If there's someone who's interested in me building it for Linux, let me know and I'll figure out how to do that. But I don't know anybody who uses Linux, OBS Linux. I don't know a few people who use OBS. So if you want it in Linux, let me know and I'll make it happen. I will make it happen for you. All right. That's it. That is it for that. Let me take a look at the chat before we get into our work for today. Let me see. Where is it? All right. So Junior said, just tested the copy URL does work as well as the website URL. I'm telling you. My friends, they said, oh, this part doesn't work. I'm like, oh, that's a good point. Let's get it to work. And oh, one more thing I want to show you. Right? Because this is important. This is important. So documentation. So we're going to go and take a look at, here's what I did. GitHub. And I'll show you the next thing that I'm going to do is if we go over to here and we take a look at OBS YouTube. So I updated the README file. Hold on 1 second. What? Here? Okay. What? Oh, I know why. Hold on. There we go. So that's right. So I have to fix it in both spots. So let me fix this to screen. Okay. And on the vertical, we're going to go to that. And screen share right. All right, cool. There we go. So I had Hilo update the README file so we can have our documentation. So basic, and this is very important. And I didn't mention this on the video for tomorrow, but this is very important that in your GitHub repositories, did I mention it? I don't know, but you want to have a clear README file of what is the purpose of whatever you're building. And so what is it? The features, the technical overview, what it uses, how to build it, right? On Mac, on Windows. I added this right here because this is the command that I use to go fast and build it. I had separated it out because the thing is, I was getting conflicting instructions to build it prompt to prompt, and so this is the one that I know works. So this is the one that I use, and then this is how to do it in Windows, which I don't actually. I use CLion to build this in Windows, so I don't know how. I have to go back and try this manually to see how accurate that's going to be. Oh, I have to update this as well. This is not good. I have to update this as well. I have to update the whole URL, but this repo isn't shared with anybody, so I can do that on my own time. But yeah, that's everything. That is, so this is, and then I added like, oh, you should use SourceDoc in order to be able to control the video, but instructions on how to use it, all of that good stuff. I don't know what type of license information to put here, but you would want to have a nicely structured README file. One more thing that I'm going to do at some point, which is going to be add a changelog, so that every time we have a new, so I'm going to do the changelog and the assets, right? Publish your first package, stuff like that, so that when new releases, so that when we have a new version, it is going to populate over there, and that is how you will stand out when you are trying to get these positions. Focus on AI. Focus on the deliverables, the outcomes, the wins, the struggles. How did you struggle? How did you overcome those struggles? How did you win? Right? More to share tomorrow in Candid Conversation, okay? But that is it. Let me check the chat one more time and then we will get to it. What's up, my guy, Rod Brown? How are you today?
They think the machine never break. Sometimes the battery hit red. I ain't stopping, I'm just rebooting. Why the bounce back? Go! Go! Eyes heavy like I'm lifting weight with my eyelid. Brain foggy, feeling like I'm stranded on an island. Coffee pot empty and the energy is silent. Fighting with the demons in my head, getting violent. Staring at the screen, but the progress isn't moving. Spinning on the wheels, tell me what am I proving? Body aching, bad breaking, losing all the grooving. Every single step feels like I'm just losing. Working 24, but the needle barely nudging. Feel like I'm a hammer, but the wall isn't budging. Burn on creepy, yeah, the shadow is a trudging. Doubters on the sideline, yeah, they always judging. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the hypertension? Did I make the turn? Did I lose the dimension? Need a little break, need a little intervention before I crash out and I lose the retention. When I'm feeling fried, sucker to your sizzling. Vision getting blurry and the rain start drizzling. Hustle feeling heavy, motor vision and fizzling. Waiting for the steak, but I don't hear the sizzling. But I can't quit, now I can't to the flag. Even when I'm dragging and I'm feeling like a rag. Got too many gold packed inside the bag. Gotta push through even when I hit the lag. Just need a minute, just need to close the blinds. Disconnect the server, disconnect the lines. Lay the head down, let the body unwind, so I can wake up and get back on the grind. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Told her high for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. Woo. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. They sit in the stands with a popcorn ready. Praying at my knees, but hoping I ain't steady. Wanna see the downfall, wanna see it messy. Wanna see me crash like a stolen Chevy. I see the side, I hear the whispers in the dark. Waiting for the flame to extinguish the spark. They wanna see the dog loot a bite in the bark. But I'm a gray white swimming like a shark. If I quit now, man, they win the whole game. If I slow down, they gon' tarnish the name. Gotta feed the fire, gotta feed the flame. Satisfaction that they seek is a damn shame. I ain't gon' give it to them, never gon' fold. Story of my fair is a story never told. My desire to win is worth my goal. Bigger than the hate that they tryna hold. So I take a rest, yeah, I hit the pillow hard. Reboot the system, put the ace in front of car. Keep the haters locked out, standing in the yard. While I recharge the battery and lower down the guard. Just for an hour, let the new runs reset. Wake up cleaner than I ever been yet. Ready for the war, ready for the threat. Gonna make them pay every single little debt. They want me to crumble, they want me to crack. But I bounce back like a rubber on the track. Sleep is the weapon, get the mind intact. Then I hit the gas, never looking back. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Told her eyes for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. Woo. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. Okay, I'm up now, white to cross the eye. Looking in the mirror, no more disguise. Demon on my shoulder, yeah, he finally died. Energy is peaking, reaching for the sky. Thought I was dumb and you must be crazy. Thought I burned out meant that I was getting lazy. Vision was blurry, now it ain't hazy. Pushing up Daisy, now I'm pushing Mercedes. Word didn't change, but the mind stay with flip. Got a new Mac and I put in a clip. Haters looking sick, yeah, they starting to trip. Watching me and sin while they sinking in the ship. Progress was slow, now I'm moving like speed. Planting whole force when I planted the seed. Satisfy the want, satisfy the need. Made the competition turn around and bleed. I do it for the win, I don't do it for the likes. Coming up the mountain while you riding on trikes. Heading for the top, yeah, I'm planning the strikes. Running up the score, yeah, I'm racking up strikes. Turning the engine, failure's not an option. Turning every obstacle into adoption of a new method, yeah, I'm swapping in, I'm copying. Only thinking these are records that I'm popping. Burn, I was a lie, it was just a little test. Put a head down, got a little bit of rest. Now I'm back stronger, pounding on the chest. Put me to the trial and I asked the question. Yeah, I'm wide awake now. You shouldn't have blinked. I can let them see me it.